Hi, everyone, and welcome to week 6 of MAT162. We're over halfway through the course, and I just want to give you a video update on the assignments for this week, as well as introduce our next project that's coming up. So as a reminder, you guys have the Project 1 final submission due this Thursday, the 25th at midnight. You all are making edits based off the feedback that I provided for you under the Project 1 Checkpoint 1 and Project 1 Checkpoint 2 assignments. So make sure you look there, make edits, and submit your final draft. This upcoming week, we're going to be doing with Lesson 10 assignments. So we're going to be looking at the preview assignments, Ed Puzzle, and practice assignment for Lesson 10, as well as working on the Project 2 Checkpoint 1. So first things first, make sure you guys follow the schedule in terms of preview, then Ed Puzzle, preview, then Ed Puzzle, all leading up to the practice assignment. The major thing I want to go over today is the Project 2 and introducing that to you. So as a reminder, you guys should be submitting the Project 1 final submission under Activities, Assignments, and then you're scrolling down to where it says Project 1 final submission, clicking into it and submitting there. In terms of Project 2, to find the directions for that, you're going to click on Content on the left-hand side, scroll down to where it says Course Projects on the left-hand side, and then Project 2. You're going to click on the Overview and Instructions. So just reading through some of the directions with you all, this is the Inference for Proportions project, and it's your summative assessments for Units 3 and 4, which is basically like lessons 7 through 11, I believe. This will assess your comprehension of the central limit theorem, constructing and interpreting confidence intervals, and hypothesis tests. And we're starting to learn a little bit more about confidence intervals towards the end of this week, and then we'll start getting more into it next week, along with hypothesis testing. But as of this week, we're really focused on the central limit theorem. Okay, how to complete it? Well, it's just like Project 0 and Project 1. You're going to be downloading this template that says Project 2 Inference for Proportions template. As always, when you download the template, make sure you save it so that your name is in the file name, as well as make sure you put your name at the top of the document as well. So again, follow the directions on how to save the document. And as always, make sure you guys are writing in complete sentences. The checkpoints and the final draft are graded not only on your conceptual understanding, but also on completeness and kind of effort in terms of writing in full sentences. So make sure you guys are writing in full sentences. As you complete checkpoint 1, which is the central limit theorem checkpoint, you're looking at questions 1 through 10. And then the following checkpoint would be 11 through 17. So 1 through 10 is actually the bigger checkpoint. That's what's due coming up. When you all are completing it, make sure you follow the video guide below. There's a video guide at the bottom of this course overview that says Video Central Limit Theorem Checkpoint. Double check that. Watch it. You basically have an instructor walking you through how to apply these questions to a different data set, and you can use a lot of the same sentence structures and templates and really apply to your own project. So the video guides are meant for you to get help and kind of get a first round of feedback really before I provide feedback on your own project. And sorry, these ads are showing, but you'll see in a second here the instructor kind of walking you through, again, her data and then how she's applying it to the project questions. All right. So with that, that's your Project 2 Checkpoint 1 assignment. Let me go back to my announcements here, which I have listed for you to complete, recommended on Sunday. Okay, but it's not due until next Thursday, which is the July 2nd. Okay, with that, I'll let you all go. Please email me with any questions and keep up the great work and have a great weekend. All right, see you. Bye.